Welcome to this Zeina training video. In this video, we'll show you how to install the two Zeina applications. From your smartphone or tablet, go to the App Store or Play Store and type Zeina Business in the search bar. Then click on the red icon that symbolizes it displayed in the store. Click Install, and let the application load until installation is complete. A red Zeina Business icon will then be created and displayed on your smartphone home screen at the end of the installation. Repeat the same procedure to install Zeina Client by typing Zeina on the search bar. This will display the white Zeina Client application icon. Click on Install and let the application load until installation is complete. A white Zeina Client icon will be created and displayed on your smartphone's home screen at the end of the installation. Congratulations, Zeina! You've just completed the installation of applications represented by icons on the smartphone's home page. The white application and Zeina Client is the one that online customers will use to access the marketplace. View the list of businesses, products, and services, and also have the option of launching orders. The red application, Zeina Business, is the one that business managers will use to configure their business space, create and sell their products or services, and manage their entire business. Zeina, a solution everywhere and for everyone.